vlog. And this is a continuation of the Carolina boots. Well, that's what I'm wearing right now. Is these. This style right here has got this extra piece going across, and it goes right in. Hi kids, you're in my way. This is the other style of Carolinas. So what you're going to wind up basically having is your heels are going to wear out before your front tread wears out. These are the gold insert. Again, you're going to wind up wearing out your treads. This is what I'm wearing right now, is this pair here. These lasted about 2 years, and this is where it starts to wear out, is right on this seam. Come on, kids, let me look here. And see, it's starting to go here too. Hi, Mama. But unfortunately, this brand here, your speed lace holders here wind up cutting your lace. On the gold brand, it's got a different type of speed lace design, and it doesn't don't have that issue. I think one of my downfalls of these is because I used to drive a forklift, and I was in charge of taking care of maintaining the batteries on the electric ones, and I'd wind up getting battery acid on my boots, and a lot of times what it would do is it would land right on my shoelace, and it wind up burning through it. But it's a really good boot. I'd say I recommend getting a half size bigger than you normally wear, and then put a set of inserts on top of your old inserts. But that'll be up to you to see how they work. My feet really never sweat in them. These boots here are about 2 years old, and and the thing is, I worked on concrete all the time, so that would make them so they would wear down the heels pretty bad. And of course, my inner part of my foot, as you're walking, I'm always on the outside of my foot. But yeah, it's about 5 years worth of boots there, and I've still got one more pair which are in fairly good shape still. You can see, not quite as bad as the other one. So the wife is cleaning house, so I chose to go ahead and send those packing. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and I definitely recommend the Carolina brand, especially the gold style. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Dan Crosby's vlogs.